Sport RCT is the sports development team for Rhondda Cynon Taf. Funded by Sport Wales, the team are the sports development specialists for the county borough. They provide a one-stop shop full of support and information available to anyone that is looking to participate in or develop sport within their community. The team work with individuals and organisations that wish to develop sporting opportunities and increase participation across the authority. Junior sport organisers support schools to develop new and exciting extracurricular activities for pupils, whilst running monthly festivals and competitions and launching programmes such as Little Champs and Play to Learn. Community sport officers support new and existing sports clubs to develop facilities, apply for grants, grow membership and to develop governance in order to become strong, sustainable, viable and visible. They also work with national governing bodies to develop and implement new initiatives, providing more sporting opportunities. A disability sport officer helps to develop inclusive sporting opportunities for all, along with supporting clubs to achieve in-sport status. The team also act as an information service for any individuals looking to become active. The team can tell you where your nearest sports club is and help you to join. It's not all about participation in RCT, and the team are keen to help anyone that would like to volunteer in their community. Sport RCT want to get more people more active more often. Thinking sport? Think Sport RCT.